Hey guys, so today I want to go over converting CAD points into Trimble Business Center points for better viewing and everything. So you might receive a DXF or a DWG, and when you import it in, just like I did here, I have a little DXF in there. So when you import it, obviously there is something up here. Let's see what it is. Oh, just a name. So when I zoom in, as you can see, when I'm zoomed out, you don't see really. You see a line, you see a couple of points and whatnot, couple of points here, but you have to really zoom in to read, and you don't even know what that is, right? Because you are just guessing. Oh, is this the point I'm looking? Under CAD we have something convert CAD points, so you have to actually select all the points, hit convert CAD points. It's gonna ask you, hey, do you want to delete, create the grid only points? I like to do those. You can put feature code, I'll put sewer, and starting point ID, I like to do 100 and up because I have reserved first few hundred for my control points. However, the thing is, control points now I call CP points. So once I hit OK, it will do the false origin, but as you can see right away, I seen the numbers. If I'm gonna turn on the feature code or the elevation, I can see that information right away, as I was not, even when I'm zoomed in, right? This is the CAD, and this is the point, right? So as you can see, because Business Center is set up that as you zoom in, zoom out, you get that the lettering is zooming and with you, so you can actually read this nicely. Now, since we have them as the grid points only, they're gonna be only the so you see this is as a point. They're gonna have only little crosses, no dots, right? But when you see I'm trying to click on it and I have nothing in regards of the CAD point. So now you can do your stuff with those points, and then you can either export them or whatnot into your controllers. So the same thing goes, as you can see, this is a CAD line. If you were to edit the CAD line, it's gonna automatically convert it into a line string now, and it's an elevated line string from that point to that point. So this was a quick tip. Hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you next one.